Hello everyone, we are team C242 EL01 and today we are excited to introduce our company capstone project in collaboration with Decoding. Our project is titled Enhancing Learning Motivation in Decoding.com. Next, this is our group members, Syifa and Rico from Sim Learning and Kevin, Nadilia, Arya and Wildan from Cloud Computing. Next. Let me tell you more about the project. Our project aims to increase learner motivation and engagement on the coding platform. It addresses common challenges such as decreased learning motivation, difficulties in time management, and a lack of personalization in the learning experience. We offer innovative and adaptive solutions to tackle this issue. Next. Let's move on to the core concept of our project. The project focuses on three main pillars. Number one is gamification system, creating a fun and competitive learning experience through leaderboards, points, and rewards, and skill radar and adaptive learning, assessing initial skills and providing personalized learning recommendations using skill gap analysis and visual tools like spider diagrams. And number three is daily check-in, motivating users through strict tracking, inspirational quotes, and reward system to ensure sustained engagement. Next, let's discuss why we choose decoding. Why decoding? Because decoding is a premier platform for technology education connecting learners to industry recognized certification and advanced skill development tools. It bridges the gap between learners and the industry by equipping the individuals with verified competencies and up-to-date expertise in technology. Next, let's look at the milestone of our project. Our project consists of 5 phases: design, implementation, testing, deployment, and evaluation. We began the project in November and completed all phases by December.
Next, we will present the demo of the four main features our team has developed. First is the gamification features. This is leaderboard. These features display the achievement of each user in the form option of points. User can view others who have the highest points, inspiring them to strive for the top ranks. Next, this is badge. This feature user can earn and claim badge as a reward for completing specific missions. This badge not only showcase their accomplishment, but also serve as motivation to keep progressing. Next, this feature is redeemable points. User can redeem their collected points for existing item available in the system, making learning more rewarding and enjoyable. Next, this is track system features. These features highlight users' current track and longest tracks, achieved through consistent daily check-ins and course completion. It helps users take pride in their commitment and consistency in learning. This example, Jan Smith, current track 10 days and longest track 15 days. Next. The second feature is the learning reminders. User can create reminder for their study schedule, like daily, weekly, or for one-time events. Once set, these reminders are automatically integrated into the user Google Calendar. To enable this, user only need to authenticate once through Google authentication. Afterward, they can effortlessly add reminders without needing to re-authenticate. To make the reminders even more inspiring, each reminder is accompanied by motivational quote randomly fetched from external API. This reminder will appear as a pop-up, encouraging users to stay motivated when the reminder are active.
Okay, for the next, I will explain about the skill radar. Here we can see the radar chart displaying the learning path as its factors and courses filled in the chart. The skill radar shown here is specifically for user and represent the completed courses based on each learning path. On the right, we can see some recommended courses. I utilize 10 courses based on priority to balance this skill radar. First priority are based on courses completed by similar user, and next five priority using the nearest network, backbone, or kind and algorithm, which is based on courses completed by similar user. If the recommendations are still inefficient, the popular courses will be selected as alternative to fill the recommendation. Next is for the survey or learning path recommendation. First, we should fill our skill. For example, in here, I will fill the web development. And for the programming language, I will fill with Python and JavaScript. And for the GitHub username, we shall fill this section with our GitHub username. Okay, as shown here, the result generates a personalized learning path for the user. To archive this, I applied the clustering and vectorization technique for both the input and courses data. The clustering helped group similar courses based on features, and categorization it ensured that the recommendation aligned with the user skill level and goal. I selected a minimum of 6 and maximum of 10 courses for this adaptive learning path, divided by level as demonstration in this example.
Okay, in this slide provides a brief overview of the key tools and library used in machine learning implementation. Tools such as scikit-learn, natural language toolkit, Flask, NumPy, and Pandas. These tools are essential for building and deploying machine learning models for our project. And next, the chart demonstrates a cluster learning path for machine learning, showcasing the relationship between user input and similarity scores. The recommendations is for 6 until 10 user inputs with a similarity scores exceeding 0.1. This optimal path helps achieve effective and efficient clustering results within the machine learning process. And then next. This slide shows an example of using SkillRadar to recommend courses. There are three factors: one, completion rate of similar courses; two, courses that can adjust the shape of SkillRadar; three, popular courses. By considering these factors, SkillRadar provides personalized and insightful course recommendations, helping users align their learning paths with their goals.
Okay, for cloud computing implementation, we use Express.js for backend and React for frontend. Next, for source code management, we use GitHub and Figma for design interface. Meanwhile, the Google Cloud Platform services that we use are Cloud Run, Cloud SQL, and Google APIs. Apart from that, we also use the Ninjas API as an external API. Okay, the next one is cloud computing project architecture. Our application source code is hosted on GitHub. We use Cloud Build to fetch the code and build the application, and also deploy it to Cloud Run services. Once deployed, the application is divided into several services that run in Cloud Run, such as front-end services that handle user interaction and application interface. The front end is connect to the SkillRadar API service for the SkillRadar feature and connect to the Learning Path API for the Learning Path recommendation feature. Apart from that, the front end is also connect to back-end services for the needs of several other features, such as strike, batch, schedule, reminder, and leaderboard. And for back-end services is connect to Cloud SQL for data transaction and also connect to Google APIs to interact with OAuth and Calendar API. This is our mock-up result. Okay. For the project budget, we allocate for compute engine, cloud storage, cloud SQL, networking, and cloud run. The total value that we use is $5.
Gamification feature like leaderboard point and streak system make learning fun and competitive. Skill radar and personalized path optimize learning, while daily check-in and reminders build consistent habits. We aim to create sustainable learning habits with features that adapt to user needs and drive continuous growth. Decoding.com bridges that skill gaps by connecting learning with tailored research and opportunities. It fosters global collaboration, empowers teach talent, and drives innovation. Together, we aim to build a driven future and benefit both individuals and the industry. Thank you for your attention. Together with Decoding, let's shape the future of learning.
Cut.